Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and secondly make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you will not be able to follow all of my steps which I will present you today in this video. If you wish, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't really want to do it on your own, or you can do it right after entering the Play Store. Alright, so now let's enter the Play Store as I said. So here let me just quickly go through all of those verification things, so let me just speed it up. Alright, we've got it. No, thank you. So after entering the Play Store, you will have to open this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. So right here we can tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the list of all apps which can be updated. So basically all you have to do is to find those which you wish to update, mark them. So I'll choose maybe Chrome, or maybe not. Maybe Maps and Messages, and then tap on this update icon. Of course, if you wish to, you can mark all of those apps. So let's tap on Update, and now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.